Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick kitchen clean with me, and I'll also be decorating the kitchen as well for Valentine's Day. I don't have a ton of Valentine's decor, and actually what I have, I've made all of it. So I'm super excited to be getting it hung up and in places where I actually want it instead of just hiding in my craft room. So the first thing I always do when I clean the kitchen is I just wipe all the countertops down and I throw all the crumbs on the floor because it is easier to sweep and mop them up than it is to actually collect them in my hand and walk over to the trash can. Call me lazy, but I call it smart. But now I'm just going to take this little tray I have. I got this actually from Target during the fall time, and I started putting the little XO scrap wood that I made, and then they didn't all fit, so I just thought an X and an O was cute, and then also the little moss sign that says love on it. And then I decided to add this little vase that has these cute little, what are they, little hearts with little sequins on them. I don't know what you want to call them, but I thought that looked all really cute together. And then I just added a little thing to my tray as well next to the sink, and that is a little button decor piece that I made. And then now I'm just on the other side of our kitchen, and I'm like I said, I'm gonna wipe everything down, and then I'm just cleaning up everything from breakfast.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now.
And then now I'm just putting some Valentine cookies away that the girls made with my mom. And I hate things on the counter, so I'm just packing them away in little baggies, and then I'm just going to throw them right in the cupboard. And then now I'm just going to wipe down the coffee maker and our stove.
We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start.
And now I'm just adding another Valentine's decoration. This is just a little love pillow. I actually got this so cheap at Target a couple years ago. It was like 80 or 90% off, so I only paid like $2 for it. I just didn't think the kitchen had enough decor, so I just wanted to add the pillow and then this wreath that I recently made. And then the very last thing I'm going to do is just mop the floors, and I use a Bissell Crosswave. For those of you who don't know that, I love this so much. I've had this for over a year now, and it is so amazing, and I absolutely love it. It takes so much time off of cleaning and mopping and sweeping. It does it all in one. It's fantastic, and I will also leave the link to some reviews I've done on this as well, because that is how much I love it. So I just did reviews for it because I love it that much, and I want to tell the world how much I love this little thing. But that's it. So I know that the kitchen wasn't super messy, but this is how I keep up on my kitchen so it doesn't get messy. So it's not messy, so it stays super, super clean. And if I just pick it up every single day, like I said, I don't always mop the floors, but I do always wipe everything down and clean the sink out and make sure everything is picked up. And it just makes my day go by so much easier knowing that I have a clean kitchen all the time. Well, if you guys liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.